So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate SVG dividers with a ton paper effects. Now in order to do it, you don't need any software or any other application. Just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for app.hakei.app. You can see the right URL if I pronounce it wrong. Now here you're gonna see multiple animations you have. You can just simply create the animation you want. You can see multiple SVG dividers are right there that can be used as the way I want them to use, and you can see I can make a ton paper effects right there as well. I have multiple effects that I can use from the left window, and I can customize them even more on the right window. And once I'm saved, I'm satisfied, I can directly save them just by clicking here on SVG or PNG. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.